Why do we need to pray that? We think, what do you think? Kasi, di ba everything that we have, di ba, this is that? Di ba? And how many hours do we have in one day? How many hours? 1, 2, 24. Di ba 24 hours? How many hours mo lang i-give natin kay kita? Wala pang 1 minute lang, di ba? Kasi pag may pray tayo, it doesn't take us 10 minutes, di ba? It doesn't take us 30 minutes like every night. So,
ngayon, dapat, nagbibigay tayo ng time for Jesus and Mama Maria. Kasi the whole day, they are keeping us safe. The whole day, binabantayan tayo nila Jesus, di ba? And this life, etong life natin, galing kay Jesus. Di ba? That's why we will pray. If I will not teach you now, maybe you will grow up, no one can teach you. No one will be able to. Kaya nga po, kaya habang kids ka palang anak, tuturuan na kita. Na ang tawag dito anak rosary. Yes, rosary ito. This is the cross, Jesus. This one bead. Tapos, each bead, anak, may prayer. Listen to me, anak. Pag nag-pray tayo, kasi medyo mahaba to, sometimes you will get distracted. But you need to stay sitting. You cannot stand up. You cannot get anything. Just pray. You will get distracted, yes. Do not talk. Do not tell any story. And, anak, pag nag-start na tayo, you cannot do anything. Just think how grateful you are to Jesus. Think mo all the things that you have right now. What Jesus gave us. You think of that. And if you get distracted, it's okay. Just do not dwell on it. Like, don't think of it. So, pag alam mo na ma-distract ka na, go back to Jesus. Yung faith in Jesus sa mind mo. Just take a leap. And you will do this kind of the cross. Okay? In the name of the Father. Sit properly, anak. Sit. Kasi nag-pray tayo. This is the rosary. Okay ka na ba? Wala akong hawak sugat. Titil tayo. No. Sit down. Mag-pray tayo.